Lilliana Ketchman, professionally known as Lily K, is an American dancer, YouTuber, model, actress, and social media influencer. She rose to fame as a cast member on Lifetime's reality series Dance Moms starting in season 6. Lilliana launched her YouTube channel in 2015, posting dance videos, pranks, challenges, DIYs, and vlogs. It has millions of subscribers. She appeared in music videos for artists like Sia JoJo Siwa and Bianca Ryan. She has modeled for dancewear brands and been featured in projects like Jordan Matters Dancers Among Us series. Acting credits include minor roles in shows and shorts. Her debut solo Step by Step placed first. She advanced to the elite team in season 7, earning high placements including perfect scores and top spots in junior divisions at nationals. Memorable solos include Straight Escape, performed in a straight jacket, and Inside Out. Born in Fayetteville, North Carolina to parents Stacy and Christopher Ketchman, Lilliana has an older brother named Caden. She began dancing at age 2 and competing by age 4. Trained at Campanaria Ballet School and later institutions like Joffrey Ballet School, she excels in styles including contemporary, lyrical, jazz, hip-hop, ballet, tap, and tumble. When she was participating in a photoshoot in New York in 2015, someone suggested she should be on Dance Moms with Abby Lee Miller. After Abby Lee Miller began following her on social media, Lilliana was asked to submit dance videos. She joined season 6 of Dance Moms as part of the Abby Lee Dance Company ALDC mini team at the age of 7. Her performances on the show were outstanding. Ketchman's first solo was a Step by Step, which placed first. In 2017, she moved up to the ALDC elite team and placed first in the junior division at the national competition.